Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove this piece of vinyl here. If you remember, I did the blackout from Cool Tint 604. So say you didn't like it anymore. Look how easy this stuff is to remove. You just get an edge here, don't have to use heat. And once you get it started, it just peels off so easy. But the crazy thing is it sticks on there really good. Like I've washed it and scrubbed that section. So this is one of the reasons why I suggest no matter who you get it from, if you get great quality vinyl, if you ever take it off, it's got to make it easy. I mean, this has been baked on there too for probably about a year now. Protects it. You can see it looks brand new under there. And I'll show you here the back of the vinyl, if I can get it to focus here. Let's see. If you see all these little bumps on it, let's see right there. See, that makes it so easy to remove and apply to get all the air bubbles out. So you don't have any residue left over, nothing like that. So definitely if you're going to do it, get a high quality vinyl. Don't go cheap there because it'll save you a lot of time and frustration if you ever go to remove it and trying to like scrape glue off and stuff. Okay, guys? So nothing fancy here. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope that helps you if you decide to do some mods on your car. Okay? Hope everyone's doing good. Staying safe out there. Appreciate it. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks, everybody.